I'm very honest. And this hair, because, you know,
came off from a big X and came home to a big bag. I'm a big boss and you big mad. Fuck around and die by my respect. Got blood all on my Christians from all my oppositions. Fuck all my oppositions.
Hey guys, oh my god, this friggin' nail. I need to get some acetone and soak it off. Okay, so just ignore the nail. Anyways, what's good, y'all? So welcome back to my channel. I do want to say what's good to my new subbies. I see you guys. My channel just keep growing and growing, and I'm appreciating y'all. I'm appreciating y'all feedback and all that. Appreciating y'all subscribing. So welcome to my gang. I don't really know what to call it. I'm about to call it the Emmy gang because, like, you know, my name is Emmy, so why not, you know? So we're doing a hair review and everything. So this hair is from BuLaDou Hair, and I'm so excited to share this hair with you. It's not really an unboxing. It was supposed to be an unboxing, but I couldn't help myself and I had to touch the hair and I had to get all in it, so that's what I was doing. So let's get into this video and let's see how this hair is. Alright, so I got this hair from Amazon.com, thebomb.com. I love Amazon. Amazon is my place to be. Things be so affordable. And, you know, when you got the prom, you get the either next day shipping, the 2-day, or you get the same day, you know? Because this actually came on the same day, and I was mad hyped. Like, I was just like, nah. I really thought I was, like, gassed when I saw the tracking, and I was like, it's coming the same day. I was like, no, it's not. It's Sunday. Like, and it's Sunday. It's coming the same day on a Sunday. Like, nah, they're not about to gas me like that. But it did came. Like, what? All right, cool. So, like, yeah, I got it in one day, literally. And that's because I have, you know, Amazon Prime, which is great. But this hair is from BuLaDou Hair. I got it from Amazon, like I said. And let's get into it, y'all. It came in this beautiful box right here and everything. And it is a body wave. It is a body wave lace front. So this is the hair. And look at how beautiful it is. And we're going to get back into that because there's other things in the box. So it came with these lashes, and also it came with this weaving cap. I do not use these. I do the bowl cap method, so I don't really need that. But yeah, that's what it came with. So this unit is beautiful. Like, it's so soft. Running my fingers through it, and I've been running my fingers through it before, of course, and I had no shedding. When I say none, like, nada. I'm gonna really run my fingers through, like. There's no shedding, like nothing. That's good on that part. You know, we don't like shedding. Shedding is not a good sign. So it does come with 3 combs in the top area, and then 1 comb in the back, so 4 combs in total. And it does have the drawstring right here, because you know you want your wig to be secured. And it is a half lace wig. You see the lace is in the front. This is the frontal area and everything, and then this is the back. If you want to put your hair up, you're able to have that option. But this is the front, so it's lace in the front, and in the back is just, you know, a basic wig cap. Basically, I can't wear this hair, like, if I wanted to do 2 braids and do it in, like, do 2 plaits, I can't do that with this unit because it is a half lace, and as you can see the tracks in the back and everything. So imagine trying to do a straight part down there trying to do some braids. You're gonna look silly, so don't try it. You know, you need a full lace wig for that. If y'all want to see me make a video on how I style my blue unit, being that it's a full lace wig, let me know and, like, put it down in the comment section below, and I'll definitely make a video on styling the wig. I'll do braids. I'll do different styles to show how you could you know how you could wear a full lace wig. These are the baby hairs, and I'm glad that they got baby hairs. I love baby hairs. I love clipping my own baby hairs and making my own hairline. It does need to pluck. It has not been plucked, as you can tell. The hairline is very harsh and it has not been plucked. I love it. I cannot wait to install it. I cannot wait to play around with it. I can't wait to customize it. You know how I get with the hair. Like, I love hair. Forgot to mention, this unit is 12 inches. So I got 12 inches because, you know, it is winter. I know I'm aware it's winter time. You know, you want to keep your neck nice and warm. But for me, I'm starting to fall in love with short hair, short units. Like, I'm always wearing long units, 26 inches, 20 inches. That's not even long. But I'm always wearing long hair. It's never like past my shoulders or like past my bra strap, like the back of my bra strap or whatever. Yeah, I just can't wait to wear this unit and everything. And I want to thank BuLaDou Hair for sponsoring this video. And I can't wait to wear your unit and lace it and look good in it, because, you know, it's a good unit. Head over to Amazon, get this hair, get this hair, get this hair. You know, you got to get it and rock it and finesse it as you should. Like, I'm very honest. And this hair is amazing. So I want to thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to click a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave out of here, because you know you want to be part of the Emmy gang. Like, I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.